Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today's tutorial is this simple part here. This is 70mm from here, 90mm here, 150mm from outside, and depth is 60mm from the center. And from the center, from this is 40 and this is 38 and this is 10. So let's start with the upper face here. And we will go by these fingers hanging down later. So let's start. I'll open a new file, part, okay. On the top plane, I will draw a center line first and dynamic mirror. These two hash marks are here. It shows that whatever I draw this side will be mirrored this side automatically. So I will start drawing lines from here to there. I will go down, I will come here, and I will come here, and then I'll go back and I'll come down like so. I will draw a circle here on the origin, two circle actually, okay. This is one circle is 50mm outside dia, and the inside dia of the circle is 32mm. Okay. This is 50mm. I will join these lines to the quadrant of this, and I will draw a line from here, there, and I'll go there, and I'll make there. Unable to create symmetrical element. It will draw us total line, not a mirrored line in this case. So I will draw another lines here, from here to there, and from here to here, and like so. Okay. Now I will give some dimensions. From here to here is 150mm. And from here, from here, from this line to this line is 70mm, and this is 90mm. From here to here is 90, like so. This is 10mm, 10, and this is 38. From here to here is 38, and from center of this to the top is 60mm, like so. I will take it up, I will take everything up, I will bring this down like so, and I will bring this down like so. And this is 40mm from there. This is 40, like so. Let me hide the, it will clear the images here. There is a radius of 12mm here, and here is 12mm, and also from here, but it is not, it will take less than 12, so I will give it, it's not given in the drawing, so I will make it 10 here. Okay, This is 10 and this is 12. This is also 10. I should remove this first and make it 12. I should remove this too and make it 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter. Okay, from here to there is 12 millimeter. Let me give it a dimension of 90 millimeter here first, like so, and give it a dimension from here to here is 138. Now I will give the fillet here of 12 millimeter, from here to here 12 millimeter, and from here to here 12 millimeter. Okay, this is 12 millimeter. This is 24 millimeter, 25 millimeter. This is 25, and this is 10 millimeter. From here to this is 10 millimeter, like so. Sketch is fully defined. I will extrude this piece first, as 10 millimeter, like so. This is 10 millimeter. Here it is shown 10 millimeter, and this is here it is shown 10 millimeter. I will extrude this 10 millimeter, then I will extrude the wall 35 millimeter, then this circle here 45 millimeter. Okay, I will go for extrude. I will extrude this 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter is there. Okay, I will use the same sketch again and extrude this portion and this portion up to 35 millimeter. Sorry, 35 millimeter. Okay, I will use the same sketch again and extrude boss. This time I will just take this and I'll make it 45 millimeter, like so. The part is complete. This side I will give it a chamfer of 6 millimeter and 3 millimeter, fillets of 3 millimeter, and I will give it the here fillet 3 millimeter here and here. Okay, and then I will give it again fillet of 6 millimeter. I will give it 6 millimeter here, and there is 6 millimeter. Okay, let me give some more fillets here. This is 3 millimeter here and 3 millimeter here also. Okay, so the fillets are complete. There is 6 millimeter fillet here. I will give a 6 millimeter fillet here and 6 millimeter here. That is done. So this part is complete. I will draw the fingers hanging down. Now there is a 6 millimeter fillet here also. So I will go for 6 millimeter fillets here again, and I will give 6 millimeter here and 6 millimeter there, like so. The fillets are, I think fillets are complete. No more fillets required. Okay, now I will draw on this face. I will draw 2 circles here and give them dimension. This is 38 millimeter, and this is 20 millimeter as per drawing. As you can see, this is 20 millimeter, 2 times 20, and 38 millimeter here, and 56 millimeter from this line. I will give it dimension from 56 millimeter from here, 56, not 65, 56. I will draw a line from here to tangent to this, and again I will draw a line from here, somewhere here. I don't want to make a relation here, so I will draw from here and I will tangent to there. I will draw a line from here to there, and there is 25 millimeter fillet here, 25 millimeter, 25. Okay, like so. Yes. Okay, now I will draw a line from here to here and trim the extra. I will find the intersection. I will select this and find the intersection, and from this intersection I will give the dimension. Sorry, from here to center is 33 millimeter, like so. And let me join this to the quadrant, to the end of the line, and from center of this to this is 28 millimeter, like so. The sketch is fully defined. Now I will extrude it. Extrude. I will extrude this 10 millimeter, but reverse direction. Okay, I will use the same sketch again. I will extrude this. This is 3 millimeter one side, this is 3 millimeter here, and 13 millimeter here. Total 16 millimeter it is, total 16 millimeter. So the next direction 2 is 13 millimeter. 10 plus 3 is 13, like so. So it will come in the center. This finger is come into the center of this. Okay, like so. Now I will check this and the right plane, and I will mirror it like other side. Okay, now here is the fillet of 6 millimeter, 6 millimeter fillet here, and 6 millimeter fillet here. Okay, the part is done. Yes, there are holes here, 2 holes. Let me draw holes here of 10 millimeter, 10, not 103, 10 millimeter. Okay, and I will draw another circle here, and I will select both. I will select this and make it equal. The center distance is 126, 126, and from center to here is 126 divided by 2, 63. So it will come in the center. From the bottom it is 23, from here to there it is 23, 22, 23. Okay, the sketch is fully defined, and I will make this. The sketch is now fully defined. I will extrude it, cut through all. Okay, the part is complete. I will give it some color, appearance, like let me give it an appearance. Let me give it appearance, add appearance. Something like that. I think it looks good, but let me change a bit here. That looks good. This is better. This part is complete. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please subscribe.